Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block spam calls on an iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go to your phone settings. Here, you're going to scroll down and search for the phone application. So simply click on phone. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on silence unknown callers. You're going to make sure that this is toggled on, so all of the calls that you receive that will be spam will automatically mute numbers not saved in your contacts. Next, you're going to go back and click on blocked contacts. Here, you're going to click on add new and you will not receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime from people on the block list. You can also block a specific number directly. Open the phone app, go to recents, tap the eye icon and block that caller. If spam calls still come, install a trusted caller app from the App Store and enable it in the same call blocking settings. And that's it. Most spam calls will now be blocked or silenced. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.